Hey, speed freaks! Before we unleash this Austrian psycho machine, don't forget to hit that subscribe button daily. Motorcycle madness is waiting for you. Today, we're diving into the KTM Duke 1290, also known as the Beast. No, seriously, that's its actual nickname. And after one twist of the throttle, you'll understand why this thing needs therapy and possibly an exorcist. Let's start with the heart of the monster. A 1,301cc V-twin engine that throws down a face-melting 180 horsepower and 140 Newton meters of torque. That's not just fast, that's warp speed and a t-shirt fast. It's the kind of power that makes leader bikes cry into their fairings. And despite all that muscle, the bike weighs just 189 kilograms dry. It's like strapping a rocket to a BMX. KTM didn't just build a motorcycle, they built a land missile with handlebars. On the tech side, it's fully loaded. Ride modes? Yes. Wheelie control? Absolutely. Cornering ABS? Of course. Quick shifter plus? Smooth as butter. Supermoto mode? Now you're just showing off. There's even launch control. Because obviously, what you need in life is the ability to catapult yourself into the next dimension. Riding the Duke 1290 is, well, it's violent in the best way. The throttle is instant-like. Oops, I did a power wheelie in third gear, instant. The torque hits like a sledgehammer, and the chassis stays surprisingly composed thanks to WP suspension magic. Cornering? Agile like a smaller bike. This thing shouldn't handle this well for its size, but it does. It's like a heavyweight boxer with ballerina footwork. Comfort-wise, KTM tried to make it livable, and they kinda succeeded. The seat is better than expected. The riding position is upright, and the dash is a full color. TFT, it makes you feel like you're inside a sci-fi movie. Still, long rides might have your rear end negotiating for early retirement. But this thing isn't about comfort, it's about chaos. It's about making every ride feel like a prison break. And it does that flawlessly. Fuel economy? Yeah. Let's just say you're gonna visit gas stations like they're your second home. Around 16 to 18 kilometers per hour, depending on how irresponsible you are. Any cons? Sure, it's pricey. It's overkill for most riders. And if you're not careful, you might actually time travel. Also, KTM electronics can sometimes act like moody teenagers. But when everything works, it's absolute bliss. Who is it for? If you're an experienced rider looking for the ultimate street fighter, with savage power, premium electronics, and a riding experience that borders on unhinged welcome to the jungle. Final verdict? The KTM Duke 1290 is beautifully bonkers. It's raw, it's loud, it's aggressive, and it doesn't apologize for any of it. It's a beast with manners, until you poke it. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below, and tell us, would you dare tame the beast, or would you just let it bite? Catch you in the next one, speed freaks. Ride hard, stay alive, and never trust a calm KTM.